Good morning, everybody. Today, you'll need an exercise book, a pencil case, and the worksheets. You can find them on the register to print. Sorting humans. That means putting them into groups. First, let's take a look at some key words. Similar, different, fingerprint, identify, data, tally. Look at other people. They are all similar to you, but also different. Our eyes are different colors. These children all have similar bodies, but there are differences. Take a look at their hair. Some have long hair, like this girl. Some have short hair, like this boy. Some have straight hair, like this boy here. Some have curly hair, like this boy. The color of their hair changes too. Black, blonde, brown, and so on. Our eyes can be different colors too, and different shapes and sizes. Brown, blue, green, big, small. People have different shapes on their fingerprint. Look at your fingers. Use a magnifying glass if possible. Identify which type of fingerprint you have. Do you have a loop? An arch? A whorl? Or maybe a mix of different fingerprints? So, people are similar, but they're also different. We have hair, but hair can be different colors. And everybody has two eyes, but our eyes can be big or small, and the colors can be different too. If we want to see information or collect information, which is called data, about people, we need to use a chart. Here we have an example of a simple chart to collect information about people's hair color and eye color. Here we write the name, here the color of the hair, and here their eyes. We could collect information for many people. If we want to know how many people have brown hair or brown eyes, we need to count, and the tally chart is the best way to do this. Tally means to count or keep count using vertical sticks. The horizontal stick closes a group of 5. Here, for people with brown hair, I've got 5, 6, 7. Here, for people with brown eyes, I've got 5, 10, 15 people with brown eyes. Let's take a look at an example together. So, here we have 6 children. Their names are Jim, John, Jack, Joseph, James, and Mary. We need to prepare a table. The columns are name, hair color, and eye color. There are 6 children, so we need 6 lines in the table. So let's start with Jim. Let's write his name in the first column, and then look at his hair, which is brown, and his eye color, which is also brown. And then move on to John, who has blonde hair and blue eyes, to Jack, who has black hair and brown eyes, Joseph, who has red hair and blue eyes, James, who has brown hair and brown eyes, and Mary, who has blonde hair and green eyes. Now that we've prepared this table, we can count or tally how many of each color hair and eyes there are. Remember, we use vertical sticks and the horizontal stick to close a group of 5. We have 4 different hair colors: brown, blonde, black, and red. We need to tally. Brown hair, we have Jim and James, which means 2. Blonde hair, John and Mary. Black hair, Jack. Red hair, Joseph. Totals are 2 brown, 2 blonde, 1 black, 1 red. Now the same thing for the eye color. Here we only have 3 colors: brown, blue, and green. So for brown, we have Jim, Jack, and James, which is 3. For blue, John and Joseph, which is 2. And green, Mary, 1. The totals 3, 2, and 1. Now, I'd like you to do the same for these children here. There are 25 in total. Their names are Abby, Ben, Katie, Dan, Emma, Fred, Grace, Harry, Isabel, Jackson, Kira, Lenny, Martha, Nick, Olivia, Pat, Queenie, Ross, Sarah, Tim, Una, Victor, Wendy, Xavier, and Yasmin. Put their names on this chart. Put the color of their hair and the color of their eyes. You can find this chart on the register to print. Once you've completed the chart, you can do the tally. Remember, tally is counting. Use the sticks to do so. Remember, 1, 2, 3. Like the chart shows here. You can print these too from the register. Let's take a look at an example. Let's tally brown hair. Tally. 1 would be like this. 2 would be like this. 3, 4, and 5. This is just an example, of course. Now, pause the video. Complete the first chart, writing the names of each child, their hair color, and their eye color. Then, use the first chart to complete the 2 tally charts. Use the sticks to count. We will correct this during our next lesson. That's all for now. Goodbye.